due to the presence of state aviation as part of the RIAT and mobility fleet over at Brian Jordan. What we're going to see is the capital display of some of this. Demonstrating there what was called a max effort takeoff, which is accelerating to beyond the rotate speed and then accelerating a further 30 knots before lifting the nose wheel off to a max performance climb. Very useful, of course, when operating from airfields in what are known as contested environments where ground fire might be a risk. Yeah, absolutely. Another example of what is not just air show flying, but a tactical demonstration, and in this instance, protection of the aircraft from ground fire in contested areas.
So far been ordered for journeys to the largest customer group. Three of them. So we've got the undercarriage standard now. 14 wheels and tyres optimised to allow the aircraft to operate from unprepared strips and islands. Zone at a speed up to 285 knots.
.66 stretchers with a maximum payload of 37 tons. Reaching a maximum bank angle somewhere in the region of 60 or so degrees during this display, it can attain a maximum of 120 degrees, which we've seen demonstrated by Airbus test pilots in the past. Sharif in Afghanistan, and also Germany is the first user of his type to declare it operational in the air-to-air refuelling role, because the A400M can also act as a tanker. Now, hopefully, we're going to see the aircraft establishing itself in a typical airdrop configuration on the next part, with the rear cargo ramp open and the door, slowing the aircraft to 150 knots. Well, the aircraft now entirely cleaned up with the ramp and door closed. And here's a demonstration of an impressive rate of climb, 35 degrees, nose up. And of course, turboprop tanker platforms such as this, aircraft like the C-130 Hercules, also between the helicopters if necessary. Absolutely. And they are the same option, because the fastest rate incredible state of the outside is
aided by the powerful automatic brakes.
You will also have heard an increase